Good. Really good.
You are with Project HowTo, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a calorie-friendly ice cream that is also high on protein. The first thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get 50 milliliters of the almond milk. I'm gonna get it here. And in that almond milk, I'm gonna heat it up and I'm gonna melt the cocoa butter drops. Let's melt the cocoa butter, leave it there, leave it melting. We can also put the 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Okay, and now let's get into blending. Let's get back to the milk. So the cocoa drops, they've melted now. Alright, amazing. And the next step is to pour what we have in here into our dish that is gonna go in the freezer for a few hours. That's what we're looking for. If you don't want to wait for it to get cold, I promise you, it tastes amazing even now. And what we're gonna do now is leave that for about 10 minutes in the fridge just to chill a little bit. And meanwhile, we're gonna blend the dates so we can make that date syrup. Here I have about 25 grams of date, and I'm gonna also add the water. So I put just a little bit water, just enough to cover all that dates that I chopped. We have them blend now, and we're gonna take our ice cream from the fridge and we're gonna add the dates. I'm gonna try and make sure it goes everywhere. And after I spread them, I'm gonna still give it a mix. Okay guys, it's 6 hours and 2 minutes later, and the ice cream is almost finished. It's delicious. It's healthy, it's protein rich. What more would you want? Actually, that is just a small portion from what we made, but I'm not gonna have the whole pot. And as usual, I'm gonna put the nutrition facts in the description box below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!